Good morning from Wick. Today we are craning Phil's boat back in. Everything got repaired yesterday, great team effort. Props being repaired, shaft was tested, it was fine, P-bracket sorted out. Fitted all last night, spotted karaoke, and the team should be craning it in right now. So we're heading up to Orkney today. Weather forecast is looking good. Force 2 wind, first proper sunny day we've had in Scotland. Apparently you don't get a lot of these. So Orkney Islands, 2 hours up to there. This lot are talking about whether we're staying or not. My plan is to push on and get around the corner of Cape Rough. You can hear me. Many thanks for your hospitality, permission to leave the harbour, and we're heading up to Orkney. Thank you. So this is the corner. It's really tight, very odd, acute angles to get in and out of the harbour. But then you've got to go straight out here. You don't want to get this wrong. If you go straight out, you're fine. You just don't want to cut across there. That costs a lot of money, doesn't it, Philip? How you feeling today, Phil?
Brand new.
Brand new.
25 degrees, light winds.
What we like. So we're just leaving Wick, and we're going to come up here past Duncansby Head, which a lot of people call John O'Groats area, and then up through, what do they call that passage to the top there?
Headland Firth.
Headland Firth. Today, as you can see so far, it is absolutely stunning. Where have we just been past?
Duncansby Head.
Ah, and does that happen to be anywhere particularly important for us?
It's the top of Scotland.
Hey! We made it! Top of Scotland.
Top of Scotland.
We're now heading up to the Orkney Islands. Look at the swell. There you can see the swell on camera. Black calm day. Beautiful rolling swell.
Just coming around Carver, and then we're in it.
We are in the Orkneys. So happy, guys. This is the furthest away I'm going to be from my family. Just approaching the marina. Absolutely beautiful. Hello from the Orkney Islands, the furthest point from our home base. So we just heard Rob was feeling a little seasick. There's quite a large swell coming through the Orkney Islands on the southern end of it. So it's like they call it an Atlantic swell, like 3 meters, 3.5 meters. Beautiful. No problem for the boats. But I think Rob's tummy handled it very well. Hey, Spew Bunny. A bit of chander there?
None whatsoever, just a few minutes with my own thoughts. Good.
That's what they call it these days.
Oh.
Streaming.
So Captain Carter, to celebrate this momentous occasion of being as far north as we are and the journey we went, got a little gift for you, got a boat.
Oh. Oh, well done, Rob.
Did you get that last night? No, just now.
Cheers, amigo. That's really good.
One bottle of Rock Rose.
Rock Rose.
Oh, we're
ready.
Well, thank you.
Orkney Islands has been a pleasure. We're not going to be here, unfortunately, very long because the weather's coming in, but breathtaking.
Absolutely stunning. It really is.
Yeah.
And yeah, the challenge of getting here has been immense as well. So you get here and fingers crossed it's slightly easier on the way downhill.
It's all downhill, Phil.
It is. It is.
So,
well done,
right.
Neil.
Yeah,
well done.
From this harbour control, Joie de Vie receiving.
Someone calling Stoneleys Harbour?
Yes, Joie de Vie, permission to leave the harbour, please, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem there, thank you.
Sailing westwards now, away from Hoy, leaving the old man behind. Although I'm still here, of course. but it's goodbye Orkneys and hello Hebrides in a few hours.
So we're approaching Cape Rough. Cape Rough. Rough as freaking hell. Done 88 miles so far. There we are, just approaching the top here. Most northwesterly point of Scotland.
Do you know what makes it a cape and not a head?
I think a cape is the end point of a country.
Okay, could be that, could be that.
Any more questions? I'm here ready to advise you.
What is the meaning of life?
Look out the window in front of you. There we are. How's your day been, Philip?
Oh, it's been long.
Long day.
Started early.
It's been a long day, mate. And here we are, April Rose arriving in Lochinver. How was that, Captain Carter?
That was all right, actually. Yeah,
Long day.
long time. Yeah, it was a long day.
Long day.
We're here.
Lie in tomorrow morning.
Oh yes, please.
They're waking me up.
Oh, again.
I know.
Come back a bit, Phil.
Emanee Engineering have been providing all aspects of mechanical and electrical services on medium to large scale builds for the past 12 years. Emanee have successfully completed many projects with all the major builders on our island. They also work with private clients alike. Give them a call for all things electrical and mechanical.
Good morning from Lochinver. Lovely little fishing town. Probably the smallest marina we've been to. Only a very few finger berths. This is absolutely beautiful. Really pretty. It was about 9.5 hours the whole time yesterday. About 130, 140 miles, something like that. Long day. Massive Atlantic swell, which is really spectacular. Some of them were like 4 or 5 meters, huge. But the boat, when it goes over them, it's like they're so far apart. Then you surf down the back of it. Good fun. That was a highlight yesterday. And the Scottish coast, northern Scotland certainly, and starting to come down the west coast here. Wow, seriously impressive. The footage hopefully does it justice. Alright, Phil, what's that?
To the city. The water in the town has got a problem.
Yeah.
They've lost pressure, they reckon it's a bit poisoned. So whatever we've taken on the 70 gallons or so yesterday,
Yeah.
we're going to boil.
Yeah.
They're giving away
Free bottled water.
just at the top there, all around town.
Yeah.
There's just piles of bottles of water.
Brilliant. Well, not brilliant.
We can't get fuel here today
Yeah.
because they can't take payment.
Alright.
So we can tomorrow.
Yeah.
But there's fuel in Gairloch, Ullapool, Ireland, and places in Skye as well.
Cool.
So, so I think maybe Skye could be an option if we can find somewhere like this. We've had another unfortunate incident.
What's happened now?
I can't believe it.
Oh.
We have one toilet on the boat.
Yeah.
Colin has almost broken it.
Again?
Again. No, well this is still from the last time and it's getting worse and worse.
Right.
So we've had to invest in some Mr. Muscle to clear whatever Colin's put down there.
What does Colin put down in the toilet?
Dread to think. I know it was a paper towel, kitchen towel.
Kitchen towel.
Don't put kitchen towels down boat toilets.
So here's the old
the toilet blocker.
toilet blocker.
So what is the final decision on the plan for today?
So we're heading south out of Loch Ivan, and we're going down
Lochinver.
We're going to head down towards the Isle of Skye and fuel up. And there's a little port called
Ullapool.
No, it's something else and we can't pronounce it.
Yeah.
We know where it is, we just can't pronounce it.
Kyle of Lochalsh, is that one?
Say again, Colin.
Kyle of Lochalsh.
Kyle of Lochalsh is where we're going in Skye, yeah.
Yes.
We're stopping at Ullapool before that, and looking in this big field here, aren't we?
Yeah.
There it is there. So we're going to go in, follow the coast around these islands, down, and then this here is a big, long lock
room.
This is like between two mountains.
Oh, wow.
So this is like a big fjord, I believe, according to Google Maps. So we're going to go in there and have a cup of coffee.
Just getting underway, coming out of Lochinver. We have a very loose plan what we're going to do this afternoon. Basically, we're going to make our way down to, I believe it's Loch Broom, just down the coast, staying close, hugging the coast, taking in the views. We need to find some fuel, or at least be able to fuel up tomorrow, wherever we end up today. But very fluid at the moment. We're just going to see how we get on and make a final decision when we get further south.
So we're not far out from where we've just come, which was just there. As soon as we get around this coast here, this point here, we're going to get hit by the wind. Shouldn't be too far. Captain Carter, April Rose to the right. Looks like they've just hit the swell. When you think things are really gorgeous, then you turn the camera around. So we're heading into Ullapool. Huh? Loch Broom. Currently going through the Dorney Sound. Just going to slow down a bit and admire the view. Here we are, drifting out to sea, all alone. Absolute peace and tranquility. Oh no!
You ready?
Well, what are we cheersing to? Popping.
We've been
The West Coast.
To
Cheers for going south.
We're going south now.
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hey. We are. Nothing says
very smart.
an anti-climax like that.
I'm watching a Formula 1, isn't it?
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Happy Sunday.
Oh, I could do with a nap now, actually, before we go any further.
So we're just making our way back up Loch Broom to Ullapool, where I think we're going to try and moor up for the evening. Just had an amazing lunch break. It's a fabulous place to be, and we're looking forward to an evening out in Ullapool.
1 metre. Watching my leg. Just tie us off quickly. Just tie us off quickly. So here we are in Ullapool. Lovely guy called Brian sorted us out, and he's seen the berth allocated to us. So we've made it into Ullapool. Captain Carter.
A long day of
relaxing.
Well, not motoring.
In the loch.
Quite a lot of drifting.
Caught a lot of
Anchor.
caught a lot of flag today, I have, unfortunately. Initially my chain was a little short, only by 30 meters.
That is private common.
And 30 meters isn't a great deal when it comes to boating, especially when you're anchoring. So we've just frequented the Seaforth. Lovely little restaurant, bar, eatery. The boys are trying to find something cost effective because Rob's paying tonight.
Oh yeah.
So we don't want to be eating anything too expensive.
Yeah, as a starter.
As a starter. As a moosh moosh. Right, so we'll let you know how we get later on. Thanks for watching. We undertook this journey to raise funds for Prostate Cancer UK, so any donations would be greatly appreciated. You can find the link to donate in the description below. A special thanks to our sponsors,
Emanee Engineering. Give them a call for all things electrical and mechanical.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date and to follow the rest of our journey around Britain.